Hey guys, so before we get into this video, I just wanted to take this time and give a shout out and thanks to Car Sales Exclusive and also Jay, who works out there as one of the sales guys. So big thanks for the opportunity. It was really great getting into grips with the C63s, and the shoot went quite well. Jay also assisted me really well. Now the car is for sale out there with them. They have a great inventory and a good variety of cars, so do check them out. They're based out in Rivonia, Santon. So if you're interested in any car, they'll definitely sort you out, and do check out their Instagram to see all the current stock they have. Now do enjoy the POV. What is up guys, welcome to a new POV video. Today you join me in the W205 Mercedes AMG C63s. This is the sedan, so we're just gonna go for a quick POV drive as usual, and I think I'm just gonna drive in the most hardcore mode, which is race mode and manual. So yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. I'm not gonna U-turn the way you usually U-turn here. I'm gonna go over there and then try to turn. Jeez, wow, that's so insane. Did you feel the backhand moving like that? It's insane. Jeez, this car is very wild.
But stable, yeah?
But stable. Somewhere here and go back. I could just make a way around here. it's time.
Should we open the windows and see if we can hear the pop?
Let's open them when we're down the instead of here, because we're gonna catch a bit of speed here, so it'll be a bit windy. Yeah. Bit windy here. Yeah, it's quite windy outside. Okay, I'll wait until we're down the back road. But yeah, that's pretty much it from me, guys, with this POV drive. And until next time, that's cheers from me.